When I was a little boy, we started to land men on the moon. And I think back then, every kid wanted to be an astronaut. You know, in my family, I was not the space buff. It was actually my older brother. He made all the models. He had a Gemini model on his desk, and he had made the Apollo lunar lander. And so his desk was covered with all these models. I remember one time my brother and I stayed up late for one of the Apollo missions, and it perhaps would have been that time that I spent staying up with my brother thinking about, hey, this is really cool. I mean, how is it that we are putting men on the moon? And to know that that our nation had put people there, it was, even for a 6-year-old, I think that I was overwhelmed. I went to West Point in 1981. I was a plebe, meaning I was in my first year there. And we had 3 former Apollo astronauts who came and spoke to the Corps of Cadets. For the first time, I realized that it was possible. You know, even a young 18-year-old can aspire to these things because here are some role models that were there, had gone to the same school I went to, and were able to achieve that dream. So that was the first time that it became real to me. I think all of us that have been involved in the space program, when you're on a mission, even though you're really busy and you're working very hard and very focused on the mission, we all feel this deep sense of gratitude. There's a lot of luck involved in becoming an astronaut. There's a lot of responsibility as well, and we all recognize that, but I would say that we're all very grateful. Hi, I'm Tim Kopra, and I'm an astronaut.